Good morning, my dear students. 8th Standard Subject Science, Chapter number 7 Metals and Nonmetals. In the last lecture, we studied about physical chemical properties of metals and nonmetals. Today's topic is little bit interesting and little bit new also. What is the today's topic? Let's go ahead with the topic which we are going to discuss about today itself. So, today's topic is uses of metals and non-metals. Let me show you something about uses of metals and non-metals. Then we will prepare this table. Okay? Observe this chart, what you are observing over here. So I have given you about uses of metals and non-metals. So very first use of gold and silver. Gold and silver are used for making jewelry. Copper is used for making electrical wires, cooking utensils, etc. Zinc is mainly used as a protective coat for iron. Aluminium is used for making electrical cables, packaging, cooking utensils, etc. Obviously, you may have at your home cooking utensils. Those are the parts of metals only. Metals like iron and steel are widely used in building and home constructions. Liquid metals like mercury. There is a liquid metal that is mercury which can exist in room temperature is used in clinical thermometers. You must have seen in thermometer there is a liquid metal that is mercury. Lead is commonly used in car batteries. Coins are made up of nickel. Sodium is used as table salt. Uranium are commonly used in defense. So these are the uses of metals. Let's go ahead of uses of non-metals. Now next here few uses are given about non-metals. Very first is oxygen. Oxygen is a part of obviously non-metal. Oxygen is used for breathing. Chlorine is used for purifying water. Phosphorus is used in crackers. Non-metals like nitrogen is used in fertilizers. Graphite is used as a good conductor of electricity. Here graphite is a non-metal but we are using in electricity. Okay. Potassium is used in fertilizers. Nitrogen is used by plants. Graphite is used making leads. Obviously, your pencils leads are of graphite only. Carbon is used as a fuel. Bromine is used in dyes and pesticides. So these are the uses of non-metals. As we have seen two tables of uses of metals and non-metals, with the help of those tables, please complete this chart. Write down name of metal and its use. Write down name of non-metals and their uses. This is the part of your homework which you have to complete at home in your homework notebook. Okay. Now next is noble metal. Some metals like gold, silver, platinum, palladium, and rhodium are noble metals. They occur in nature in the elemental state. Gold, which is 100% pure, is called 24 karat gold. Pure gold is very soft. As a result, the ornaments made from pure gold bend or break due to pressure. Obviously, whatever the chain and all your mom's neck she's wearing as ornaments, they can easily break because they are very soft. Therefore, goldsmiths mix it with certain proportion of copper or silver. Ornaments are made from 22 karat gold or gold with still smaller carat value, because if you will make a pure gold, if you will use a pure gold, then they are very soft. To make it hard, their goldsmiths gets add with few content of silver and copper. Okay, so it will gets converted into harder. Now, as we discussed about the uses of metals, here it is clearly given about noble metals like gold, silver, platinum, and all comes in it. Gold, silver, platinum are used to prepare ornaments. Silver used in medicines because it is antibacterial property. It has antibacterial property. Gold and silver also used to make medals. Gold medal, silver medal. You may have heard about this because okay. So point number four: gold and silver also used to make few electronic devices. Platinum, palladium metals are used as catalyst. So these are the uses of noble metals. This is also a part of your homework. You have to write uses of noble metals. Okay. Now next, purity of gold. Whenever we are going to goldsmiths persons, so we are observing over there that are they are selling pure gold, or are they making like they are adding some impurity in it. So we are going to check it out. Okay, so we can check the purity of gold also, when it is pure, when it is not pure, when it is impure. We can say that how we have to find this, and this paragraph is given over there. When we ask rate of gold in gold shop, it always differ. Why it is? Gold is noble metal in nature. It occurs in element form. 100% pure gold is 24 carat. Pure gold is soft. Therefore, gold ornaments prepared by pure gold, they may be break or bend due to pressure. Hence, goldsmith add a specific amount of copper or silver in pure gold to prepare ornaments, and then it will get converted into 22 carat gold. So whatever the ornaments we are using at home, our mother is uses, so all the ornaments are of 22 carat. Obviously it is not pure gold. The goldsmith persons adds in it a few part of copper and silver. So here is the carat and their percentage. If the gold is 24 carat, then it is 100% pure. If it is 22 carat, then gold is having 91.66 purity. The remaining percentage gets added about copper and silver. If it is 18 carat, the gold has 75% purity. If it is 14 carat, then gold is having 58% purity. If it is 12 carat, the gold is having 50% purity. If it is 10 carat, the gold is having 41% purity only. So almost the diamond ring and all made by 18 carat, because for to make it we need a very hard substance. So in the 18% carat only the diamond ornaments made. Okay, next topic is corrosion. So, gases in the air react with metals in presence of moisture to form metal compounds. The metals get affected by this process, undergo what is called corrosion. Let me show you one image for the same. You can compare these two images. Both are chains only, but this one is new, and this chain is getting reacted with oxygen. So afterwards the some layer formed on it, and it gets converted into corrosion. Whatever the formation is happening over there, that is corrosion only. So you can prepare a list of corrosive materials which you are having in your, which you have seen in your daily life. Okay, so let me we will discuss about what is corrosion. A reddish colored deposit is formed on iron by reaction with oxygen gas, which we have seen in the image. A greenish colored deposit is formed by copper by reaction with carbon dioxide gas. A blackish colored deposit is formed on silver by reaction with hydrogen sulfide gas. Obviously, when silver ornament comes from shop, it is very silver in color. But when we are using it, it gets converted into blackish color. So because of it gets react with oxygen only. Okay, so every element, every compound has a different color. Okay. To prevent corrosion, metals, layers of oil, grease, varnish, and paint are applied on them. Also, plating with another non corroding metal is done. Iron is arrested by zinc plating. Due to this process, The contact of metal surface with air is lost and corrosion cannot occur as the chemical reaction cannot occur, because when you are applying paint on it na, so the oxygen cannot get contact with the iron, so the corrosion cannot happen. So if you will apply a specific layer on it, then oxygen cannot get contact with directly to the iron, so the corrosion will not happen over there. So to prevent it, we have to apply paint or grease or something else is given in the paragraph. Next is alloy. A homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or homogeneous mixture metal with non-metal is called alloy. Means it will be a mixture of metals and non-metal. Alloys are made by mixing the constituent elements as per the requirement. If you need a requirement of mixture of a metal and non-metal, it is up to your requirement, and as per the requirement the mixture gets formed. For example, stainless steel utensils are at home. They made of an alloy of iron with carbon, chromium and nickel. The alloy bronze is formed from copper and tin. Bronze is formed from copper and tin. This is after this mixture we are getting bronze. So bronze is the part of alloy. Okay, so I stop my lecture over here. The exercise question I will send you in the PDF form. Whatever the homework which I have sent to you during the lecture, please do it carefully. Okay, and exercise I will send you in PDF form. Thank you.